guys, I'm here again in our tiny kitchen, and today I'm going to make apple tea and apple juice. This is the one I made. Fresh apple juice from our tiny kitchen. So these are the apple pulps. I just made apple juice. I'm just going to transfer this to the pot. Just need water and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. I'm going to add cinnamon powder. And I'm just going to mix it. Stir. As you can see, there's big pieces of the apples, so I'm just going to boil it more until it's softened or until it's cooked properly, because then I'm going to squeeze this. Will be enough. I think all the big pieces are well cooked now. I'm just going to wait until it's cold. Doesn't really looks good, but this is delicious. So this is it, guys, my homemade apple tea. I added some honey in here and a slice of lemon, and of course the ice to chill it. It's so good, it's so refreshing. So I make two beverages out of apple, fresh apple juice and this homemade apple tea. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope you like this video. Please do thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more uploads. I'll see you next time. Bye! Cheers!